Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.Dash Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and this is part 15 where I am going to explain the unknown basic radical 9, and that is the salt analysis. In salt analysis for basic radical we have to see first physical test, then dry test, then come to wet test. So first of all you will see physical test, then come to dry test, then come to here that is wet test. Wet test means confirm test. So physical test, what are the main important points? You will see the color, the salt is given, that is white color, and next is you will see the salt that is crystalline nature and soluble in water. This is for physical test completed. Then you will come to dry test. In dry test, here so many sub tests are there. First is dry test tube heating, where you salt taken in a test tube and heated strongly. Then what happened here? Yellow when hot and white when cold is obtained, so it may be zinc plus 2. Zinc is only one salt, when on heating it looks like yellow color, on cooling it looks like white color. Then come to soda lime test. Soda lime test is very important and positive test for ammonium salt. So here pinch of salt is taken in a test tube and added sodium hydroxide and heated strongly, and now here no ammonia smell. That means no ammonia smell mean here what happened? The ammonium is absent. Then come to charcoal cavity test. You know charcoal cavity test mean you make a charcoal on the you make a cavity on a charcoal, then salt, pinch of salt and sodium carbonate mix and put on the charcoal cavity, then shown to the flame in oxidizing flame, that means blue flame. Then here yellow when hot, same thing you can observe in charcoal cavity, yellow when hot and white when cold. And now it is maybe zinc. Now this is the salt where we are getting that is maybe zinc plus 2 in our dry test tube heating. Then come to a cobalt nitrate test. To the above residue on the charcoal cavity, a drop of cobalt nitrate is added, then you can find green color residue form. Remember, zinc plus 2 gives on charcoal cavity, that is color is your yellow when hot and white when cold, but in cobalt nitrate green color residue is formed. In flame test is very positive for Zn plus 2. Platinum wire is dipped in concentrated HCl to clean the platinum wire properly, heated strongly, then dipped in concentrated HCl, then salt and shown to the flame. Then what happened? You can observe green flashes, flame is coming. It looks like a green flashes, and now it may be zinc. Now here something is confused whether it is Zn plus 2 or Mn plus 2. No problem. After that you will go to borax bead test, but their salt is not colored salt. It is a white salt, that is white and buff color salt, and that is why here the salt it is not a colored salt. It is only slightly dark white color, but you can say it is a color not colored salt. That is why borax bead test is not necessary. Then come to general procedure. When you see dry test is completed, then you will come to wet test. Wet test means you will prepare solution. And now you know there are so many groups including 0 group, other 6 groups are there. So you will start one by one. If 0 group is absent, then you may proceed to first group. If first group absent, proceed to second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Like this will go step by step. Now here you will do that one 0 group test. 0 group, the reagent is sodium hydroxide heated strongly, no ammonia smell. That means first 0 group is absent. 0 group absent, that means ammonium plus 1 absent. Then when 0 group absent, then where you will go? You will go to group 1. So salt solution that is taken in a test tube and added HCl and now no white precipitate. This is very symbolic representation that white precipitate means group 1 present. If absent? If group 2 absent, so